folks, back with the Retay T20, and I'm using the scope from Discovery. So, got some homemade targets down there, all 3D printed, just to show you what kind of thing you can do if you've got a 3D printer. I've got a Flashforge AD5X. Let's just that's not. Yeah, that's okay. Okay then, so switch it on. Okay, recording. So I'm just going to zoom in. Make sure that's focused. Yeah. Okay, so looking down there, the little blue figures are North Korean Army. We've got a Russian BDM tank there, or armoured personnel carrier, and then we've got the old tanks here that I had the other day. So they're the targets. Sorry about that, I got my safety catch on, I forgot about that. Got the soldier and the tank with that one. Right. Headshot. The BDM. Boys pointing at us, let's shoot down the barrel. Okay, so that's first mag gone. So yeah, great fun. So the filament is PLA, so it's not too strong. So the pellets will go through it, so you don't need to worry about ricochets. So you can see the destruction. I'm using Barracuda 8s. Rifle tends to like them. Really accurate. So I think the heads on the soldiers are about the size of a 2-tube pellet. Okay, quick look around. There we go. Little rat. I had a message from Peter Miller yesterday, otherwise known as Windy Miller, and he was in the British Army as a tank driver on Challenger tanks, and he said he cringed every time he shot a tank. Not the safest place to be anymore, is it? Go for the driver. And again. Only bits down there now. Okay, so that's all the way in. Just debris now. As you can see, it's first focal plane scope. So we're on 2 times at the moment. See the numbers clearly enough. I'll just put a single pellet through the single shot loader. Way. Oh no. Let's go for the can. That's 2 times. Okay. Okay. So pull back on switch, rotate, and it's off. So that's the addition on the back of the scope to fit that on, but yes. Not a bad optic really, suits the rifle well. 12 times is good enough. It's clear optic, so yeah. I'll leave a link to the scope if you're interested. Not a bad price really for what it is. Discovery brand makes some really nice scopes. It's DiscoveryOpt now, that's what they go under. Used to be Discovery Optics, but they just dropped the optics and gone for Opt. So there we go. Just a quick shoot with some of the homemade printed targets again. So I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, downrange with the debris. See some of the man's got the head just missing. This one is shotting off, it was on top with a rat. But yeah, shoots for him quite well. So you've got no issues with ricochets or anything. The rat you can buy, that is a bit more durable, so something to be aware of. But all these that are printed, yeah, pretty good really. So that's the aftermath, if you can find them.